Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Bilibili. So I'm going to use two different browsers for you to help you change your language. So first, we're going to go to Safari. Then we're going to type in Bilibili website. So as you can see, the second one is their official website. So now, since this is their official website, we're going to go to the top button as you can see here. Then there's an option which says Translate Website. We're going to click on it. So now it's going to show us different languages based on our preferences. So we're going to select English, for example. So now, as you can see, this is the translated version. So we changed our language. So we are also going to use a different browser for you guys to understand. So here we're going to do the translate option, as you can see here. Since it's going to use a Google Translate, it's going to translate our language for us. We could choose from here depending on the language we want. So once we select our language, Google will automatically translate what we want. So as you can see, this is the translated version. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.